Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Dodge Durango RT Blacktop Edition in Diamond Black Pearl with LED daytime running headlamps, performance hood, performance front fascia, 20-inch by 8-inch satin carbon wheels, dual rear exhaust and bright tips, heated front and second row seats, heated steering wheel, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, backup camera, 19 HARMAN KARDON amplified speakers with subwoofer, sport mode, park sense, front and rear park assist with stop, remote start system, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5365.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.